Hello guys, how are you today? In this video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you information about the cockatiels, females or males. So let's get started with the information. At first, I want to tell you, forgive me for my bad English because I'm not from Europe or United States. I'm from United Arab Emirates. So let's get started with the information. As all of us we know, the cockatiels are intelligent and social, but the female cockatiels are not social because I have Birdie, and Birdie is you will see here now. Cockatiels are social and companion birds. They are the second most popular pet bird after the parakeets. Oh, this is I'm lucky, so lucky, because my favorite pet is second after parakeet. What I love about the cockatiels is that the males are so social, and they have so behavior matters. They are not human, but the females, the bad thing about the females are they cannot speak or listen. Maybe if you bought a female, if it was baby. I have Birdie. She can dance, and you will see the video. I'm sorry I didn't tell you the most information. Okay, this elegant and exotic looking bird are well known for their bright pumpkin on cheek, their cheek, and there's some people they want to explore what behind this on cheeks. This is their ears, and there's some as white face, or albino white face. They don't have some orange cheek, but they have ears at the same place. The cockatiels live in many places. What I know that the cinnamon cockatiels and the other cockatiels live in Australia. In Arabic we say Australia, and in English I don't know, maybe Australia. And the white albino face from Holland. That information, that useful information. I'm sorry that our time is not. Yes, I don't know what to say. It's okay. Forgive me for my bad English, and forgive me for the time. So take a look. As you saw, Birdie, she is so funny, and I will say it again and I will repeat. Forgive me for my bad English and for the timing; it's not long. So bye bye, and see you soon in the another video.